Assalamualaikum students. Today we will do the language work of our chapter Global Warming, Class 8th English. Okay. In language work we have the first question and that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks in the following sentence with appropriate compound words or phrases from the box below. ठीक है. And a phrase is a short group of words that people often use as a way of saying something. Okay, in these fill-ups we have to use phrase or a what we can say a compound word. So what is a phrase? A phrase is a short group of words that people often use as a way of saying something. For example, bird whose color is red. So say they say red bird. Okay, red bird they use it in the short form. The red bird. A compound combines two or something more different words. What is a compound? A compound combines two or something sometimes more different words. For example, it is a here we have a red bird. Red bird is the name of bird. It is name of bird. It is not that it is combine. It is group of words. It is two words which has been combined. It has a name of the bird, red bird. Okay, as we have red-eyed frog, red-eyed frog. So a compound combines two or sometimes more different words. Okay. So in the fill-ups we have to use phrase or the compounds. For first one is we live in a beautiful green house. Green is color and house. My uncle has built a greenhouse next to his house. Here greenhouse is a house there we will kept green वो जहाँ पे हम vegetables लगाते हैं. ठीक है ना? Where he grows vegetables in the winter. Second is most PhD only prefer white collar job. White collar job में अच्छी job. He was wearing a pink shirt with a white collar. Pink shirt with a, so the color of collar is white. Okay, so we live in White House near the mosque. The President of America lived in the White House is the name of the place where President of America live. In the Parliament is the name of Parliament. My wife keeps her jewelry in black box or the black box has been found. It is a black box when aeroplanes crashes there is a black box. So it's possible to find out where the plane has crashed. He has stronghold on his wife or the southern part of the state is a stronghold of the robbers. ठीक है. So these are the words which we have used in the fill-up. Some are phrases and some are compound words. As you can say, living in a beautiful green house. It is a what we can say. It is a phrase. Greenhouse. It is a compound combines. See, because it's the name of a house where we grows vegetables. White collar, that means a good job, and white collar, that means the name of a color of the collar. So some white house, America, it is a parliament, name of the parliament, and the color of the house is white. Okay, my wife keep hers. This is a box where black color box where her wife keeps the jewelry. So that means it is the phrase, and black box, this is the combines of the two words. ठीक है. Same is the he hold, stronghold, that is the what we can say combines of the two words. Stronghold of robbers, that is the what we can say that is the कि उनमें उन्होंने कामयाबी है, उन्होंने उन पे अच्छी तरह वो ये किया हुआ है, होल्ड किया हुआ है. And next is the use of phrases or expression from the lesson in your own sentences. These phrases are taken from the chapter Global Warming and you have to use in your own words. Okay, the first one is in progress. The game was already in progress when I turn in. Uncontrollable, progress मतलब कि वो चल रही थी. जीतने की तरफ जा रहे थे। अनकंट्रोलेबल रेट, द बर्थ रेट इन द स्टेट इज इंक्रीजिंग एट अनकंट्रोलेबल, जब कोई किसी चीज़ पे कंट्रोल नहीं होता है। अक्रॉस द ग्लोब, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इज मेजर थ्रेट अक्रॉस द, पूरी दुनिया के लिए, ठीक है ना। इन द बैकड्रॉप ऑफ state employees are not well satisfied in the backdrop of the state economy. At an alarming rate, glaciers are receding at an alarming rate. Glaciers जो हैं वो ख़त्म हो रहे हैं. An irritating change, pollution leads to an irritating change in the environment. Change बहुत आ रही है, अजीबो गरीब change आ रही है environment में. फिर है drift of, people are drift of the cause of global warming, worried of. Dried up, most of the spring in the valley has dried up due to global warming. At the globe level, we should find the reason why there is a global warming at the global level. Then is heavy burden. If global warming is not controlled at an earliest, it will be heavy burden on the shoulder of every individual in the near future. So these are the phrases which we have used in the sentences. These are takes from our English 8th English chapter, global warming. And after that is synonyms, and these are the words which we have to compare same meaning. Okay, most appropriate meaning जो है वो देखना है. The sporadic rise in his temperature has caused us much worry. So this answer is इसमें है A, frequent, irksome, irregular, scattered, irregular है. The reading of poetry is not congenial to his state. इसको आएगा suited, beneficial, helpful, preferable, suited. The viewer have to be monotonous work, repetitive, exhaustive, irksome or autonomous. So repetitive है इसका आंसर. And after that is fourth one, the fishing pulled away from the wharf curved some smoothly down the bay. तो इसका जो आंसर है वो जो है यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस ही नहीं है. सो आई विल टेल यू आफ्टर, बस ये हैं. तो ये जो है आप लोग अच्छी तरह से अपनी जो है आपकी जो ये है ना फ्रेजेस जो उनके सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं वो आप अपनी नोटबुक पे लिख लोगे इंग्लिश की. बाकी जो है ये आप अपनी बुक पे ही ये जो लैंग्वेज वर्क है ये जो है ये अपनी बुक पे करोगे, ठीक है.